to make two gauge wires, one from the bus bar to the fuse and one from the fuse to the switch that switches the inverter on and off. I'll first cut the cables. I need a 10 and a 13-inch cable. That's one. Okay. With my trusted crimper, I think I have the right ones. So we go. Then we have to start with the second one. Good too. Okay. Okay, this is the back of the switch. And okay, that fits well. I think that it fits well. Just indicating where the screws are coming so I can pre-drill them a little bit later on. It's taken a long time to get to this point, but I've fitted everything, drilled all the holes, the wiring, and everything should go together now. And then when it's installed, I'll put in the doors so it looks a little bit more finished. this little cabinet with all the wiring. So got the 3 wires from the CCP coming in here. Then I got a 2 gauge wire from the bus bar that goes to this 150 amp fuse. And then from the fuse goes a 2 gauge wire to the switch. And then as soon as I have my inverter, the output of the switch will go directly to the inverter. The inverter will be placed here on the left hand side on the rear wall, and then at this corner I have this wire that goes to the charger at the other side in the rear of the van. That works great. Then on this side of the sideboard, that's in the closet area, or at least below the closet area, this is where the water tank is being positioned. I got some wiring that I have to lead up to the ceiling. I got the inverter cable, and got the wire for the LED light string in the toe kick. Now I have to fasten the sideboard to the wall, as well as I have to do some adjustments to the lower cabinets. And of course I have to adjust all the cabinet doors and still install one. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. Done a good job.